guys, today we have a box of 2018 Topps Fire Baseball that we are going to open. This is the hobby box. We have already opened a blaster box. We got some pretty cool things. These boxes are exclusive to Target. We saved a 4 exclusive gold-minted base parallel card pack from the blaster box that we will open after we get our autograph. We got this pretty cool Ronaldo autograph. Wish it was a better player because I've never heard of this dude, but still a nice auto. We got a Ronald Acuna Jr. and a golden Aaron Judge. So that is pretty cool, and now we'll get into this Topps Fire. We have Chris Taylor, Nolan Arenado, Shohei Ohtani rookie card, Gooden, Cespedes, and Cisco rookie card. And I would like to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. We just hit that 100 subscriber mark, and we'll be opening some packs soon for the 100 subscriber giveaway. And that's why we waited so long to get this, because we thought this was pretty cool and it would be nice for our 100 sub video. Jacob deGrom, and Zach Godley. We have Noah Syndergaard, Paul Blackburn, rookie card. And our autograph is a Victor Robles rookie card. So that is pretty cool. Topps has been giving us a lot of Victor Robles autographs lately. So let's hope he does really good. We'll open up maybe 4 more packs of this and then the golden pack. So 5 more packs. Jose Barrios and Jed Lowry. We have Alex Rodriguez, Tyler O'Neill rookie card, Mark McGuire, Ahmed Rosario rookie card. That's pretty cool. I like the purple and blue. Miguel Franco, and Francisco Mejia. Pack number 2. Trey Mancini. These cards are pretty cool. I am a big fan of the backgrounds. I like how it's all crazy looking. But the card itself is just like any other normal card. Ian Happ, green background. That is pretty cool. It's numbered out of 199 on the back, so that's nice. Will Myers and Garrett Cooper. Pack number 3 out of 4. Trevor Story, Max Fried rookie card, Trey Turner, blue and purple background, Christian Yelich, Jose Abreu, and Lucas Giolito. Final pack, and then we will open the golden pack. Andrelton Simmons, Roger Clemens, Willie McCovey, Josh Donaldson, Hunter Pence, and Phil Rizzuto. So the normal fire cards were pretty cool. Now we'll see what is in this. Hoping for a Shohei Ohtani one of these. Although it would be nice, even though we already got our autograph, one of these autographed. Raisel Iglesias is our first card. Then Nicholas Castellanos, Ryan Sandberg, and Mike Piazza. So that was a pretty cool box. Wish we would have got some cooler cards on our gold, but we had some pretty nice players and got our nice auto. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Signing out for now. See ya!